Your mission, should you choose to accept, is to correct a Word document using the Delete and Backspace keys on your keyboard. You will also need to highlight and delete selections. As always, you will need to add a header to your document that includes your name and the date. Be sure to print your document and turn it in to your teacher for credit.
Welcome to Mission Technology. Your mission is to edit a Word document. First, you will need to click the link directly below this podcast. You will know that you have found the link when your mouse becomes a hand. So we're going to click, and we're going to be redirected to another website where the document is stored. At the far right of the web page, there is a small arrow pointing down. You need to click this arrow to download the document. A new window opens up and asks us if we want to open or save the document. We're going to click Open. The first thing we want to do is save our document. We're going to select the Office button in the far left-hand corner. So I'm going to click and I'm going to select Save As. I want to save it to the desktop, so in the drop-down I'm going to find Desktop and select Desktop, and I'm going to give my document a new name. I'm going to give it first my name, and a space and the number 1, because this is the first assignment. And then I'm going to click Save. The next thing we need to do is to add a header. We're going to click on the Insert tab. You notice there are tabs up the top here. We're going to click on Insert. And we're going to select Header. We just want the first one, a blank header. And I want you to notice that a new tab is opened up. Office has opened up header and footer tools and also design. Office Word has realized that we're working on a header, and here are some different tools that we can use in working with the header. Okay, we're going to type our name. I want to identify my paper when I turn it in, so I'm going to type my name. I'm going to hit return, and then I want to put in the date and the time. On the same toolbar there is date, insert date and time. So I'm going to click there, and it gives me a bunch of different formats. I think I want this third one, January 26, 2009. I'm going to click OK. Now I'm finished with my header, so I'm going to click up here and say Close. So it'll close this header for me. We're now ready to work on our document. Everything typed in blue needs to be removed. There are 3 ways that we're going to practice doing this. First, we can position our cursor to one side of the blue text, click, hold it down, and drag your mouse so that the entire word or words are highlighted. And then once they're highlighted, we simply need to click Delete on our keyboard, or even Backspace. Both will work. Another way we can do that is to click Delete. In this case, I'm going to click to the left of the text that I want to remove, and then I'm going to click the Delete button on my keyboard. And I can remove it letter by letter. Another way to remove it is to click to the right and to press the the backspace key on my keyboard. So I'm just going to do one letter at a time until it is removed. We're going to be practicing this. If you make a mistake, there's one very important button or key that I'd like you to know, and that's the undo button. So if I make a mistake, I can just simply click and it will return it back the way it was before I made the changes. The blue text tells you the method you're to use to remove the text. So you're going to practice your skills. Again, if you make a mistake, you can always click the undo button. When you are finished, be sure to save your work by clicking the floppy disk up in the upper left-hand corner. So I'm going to click this, and my document has been saved. And I have one more thing I need to do. To receive credit for this mission, you need to print your document. So we're going to go back up to the Office button. I'm going to click and select Print, and I'm going to say OK. Your mission is accomplished when you turn in your document to your teacher. Good luck.